Zippity, zippity, woogly.
Perfect.
Morphle, morph into a hot air balloon.
Yeah, close enough.
I'm not so sure about this. Awesome.
Oh, looks like a walrus making a wish with a dandelion. Duty quo.
Welcome to my birthday party. Kids? Wow! Woohoo! Our presents! Looks like they ate and took off. All the better for me. I'm pooped.
Mila,
Let's see what Uncle Woody got us.
here's your birthday present.
Thank you, Daddy. Let's open our present. Look, Morphle. Daddy gave me a balloon for my birthday. Hey, I'm napping here. Oh! Oh no! The wind swept away my birthday present. Let's go after it, Morphle.
Take your binoculars, Mila.
Thanks, Daddy.
Bye.
Bye. Hey, let's find Twinkie. He said he was going to see a walrus about a dandelion. He's gonna grant Wally a wish. Ah!
Oh, you two again? What?
We want a different wish.
What's up, cookies? There's one wish per
Oh?
birthday. Besides, I'm not backtracking when I now only need 2 wishes to get the
You're not my balloon. What are we gonna do, Splinter? Our next birthday is a year away. Tweaky's job is to grant all kinds of wishes.
These dandelions are tricky by Jingle.
So, tonight, we wish on the first star we see. And he'll have to Let's go find my balloon, Morphle. We gotta stop him from giving out his last 2 wishes.
No, do I have to do everything myself?
My balloon! Congratulations, Mr. Walrus! Anything you could ever wish for could be yours! You just won $10 million in the sweetest people clearinghouse wish stats!
I won a lot of money.
Hi.
All my
Oh,
wishes will
hello.
come true.
I lost my hat
I'm
somewhere
going to buy
around
a
here,
pony.
but
I'm
where?
going to buy a pony. Yay-da-da-da-da-da.
Now
There
where
it
did that
is.
walrus go? Oh, what now?
Here you go!
Thank you very much.
Skip
No
the walrus.
problem.
Okay, I'm all.
Good luck finding your balloon.
Bye-bye! Go give Miss Meanie one of his last wishes! Oh, yeah. Wish this! Oh!
At last, I can wish for
Oh, wow!
orthopedic
It's a cloud castle!
First.
And there's my balloon! Up we go!
Hey, what the?
Oh!
Yay!
Get back here!
Ta-da!
Finally, someone at my
If you're the wish fairy,
party.
here to grant you one
Mr.
wish.
Cloud?
And of course, you can break the wish.
Can I have that balloon, please? It was my birthday present.
Your birthday present? I thought somebody must have sent it to me
Wait a
for
minute.
my birthday.
It's your birthday, too?
Take
Thanks!
Wait.
Bye!
My fairy godmother told me there'd be days like this.
There's the first star, Splinter! Now we get a new wish! Poor thing!
You
There
want
is
a
no
wish?
one at
I'll
his
tell you a
party.
good wish. I wish I could
Are
start the
you
whole thing
thinking
over.
what I'm thinking? What's happening? Splinter, we're back in time!
I'm right back where I started. 3 more wishes to win my vacation.
We're back!
Hi there.
We wanted wish that!
Hooray! Welcome, everybody.
Happy birthday, Mr. Cloud.
Happy birthday, Mila.
I gotta get a new job.